Hey Frugivore, meet Virtual Freelee, my digital clone. What you're looking at right now is still me, just presented in a virtual way. This video is filmed here in the jungle, and the voice you're hearing is my actual voice. So why am I doing this? Because life on the fruit farm can be full on, and I want to bring you more high quality videos and audio without constantly setting up cameras, lights, mic, and studio. And I will still make some real videos, but using this avatar means I can spend less time on production and more time on what matters, creating videos that are sharper, better researched, and packed with information that can help change your life. This approach will allow me to show up here more often. More fruit science, more frugivore truth, more inspiration to help you live your healthiest life. And while I know some people dislike the AI world, and some of it I do as well, but I actually love a lot of it, and I see it as an extension of the human imagination. You know, when you use it with purpose, it can be really powerful and a productive tool. So if it's between no Freelee and Virtual Freelee, I'm sure you'd rather have Virtual Freelee. All right, so stay tuned. I will be working on more videos.